welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. My name is Jen and I'm so excited because today we're going to be finishing up decorating for Christmas. And y'all, I saved the best for last. I seriously love this space we're going to decorate today. I think you guys will too, and I hope that it gives you lots and lots of Christmas decor inspiration. And speaking of lots of inspiration, you're gonna get double today because I'm collabing with a sweet friend of mine, Callie. I think you guys are gonna love her if you don't already. She is also an amazing decorator. I love watching her decorating videos. They give me all kinds of inspiration. I was actually watching one of hers yesterday and I ended up ordering something while I was watching her video because she mentioned it and it was just so cute. You guys will see that here in a little bit later in the video. But seriously, go over there and check her out. She also does grocery hauls, cleaning videos, all sorts of good stuff. I know you guys will just love her and her channel. So when you're done watching this video, I'll have her and her channel linked down below. Make sure you go over there, show her some love, and tell her that I sent you. All right, with all that being said, we're gonna get started because it's already done right now through the magic of YouTube, but we got a lot of work to do, so let's get going. So we're gonna start off in my kitchen, and I'm just decorating this noodle board. I know it's so annoying to say every time, but Darren built it. I get questions every single time I show that. But anyways, I just had this little cute tray here I got from Hobby Lobby, and we love to burn candles in here, especially at night. And I got this one I just showed from Kohl's. It smells so good. So I just kept that pretty simple. And then beside of my stove, I decided to put my tiered tray. So I'm just decorating that. And y'all, if you need to learn how to decorate a tiered tray, go over there to Crystal Terra. She is the tiered tray queen, and this is where I got this idea from with the little miniature wreaths. She just kind of uses them as little risers on her tiered trays, and I just thought that was the cutest idea. So I definitely was inspired by her, and then I picked up some other trees from the Target dollar spot and Walmart, and I was just filling up my tray with all sorts of cuteness. I also got these cute little galvanized houses from Target this year. So to keep with my little baking theme I have going on, I thought I would kind of decorate over here where I have my KitchenAid mixer. I just placed a fun little rolling pin in there, and then I had a couple of bowls that went along with this set. I just placed a festive tea towel in one with the ramekin down inside there so it would lift up the smaller bowl, in which I placed lots of fun and colorful cookie cutters that kind of matched with my mixer and tied that into the red and green theme. I just wanted to take a quick little second and say welcome if you're new here or if you're coming over from Callie's channel. I hope that you like this video and it brings you lots of Christmas decorating inspiration. But if you are new, I hope that you take a look around my channel. I also do lots and lots of cooking. I love to share easy recipes. So cooking and decor are kind of my thing around here. So I hope that if you enjoy those things, you will subscribe and stick around. Now I'm just decorating my little farmhouse shelves in this area that's kind of between our living room and our kitchen. So I got the actual shelves from Kirkland's pretty recently. I know they still have them, and I'm just filling it with things that I collected from Target, Hobby Lobby, Walmart. If you have any questions about anything specifically, leave them down below. Now we're going to come over to my little coffee bar area, which naturally turns itself into a hot cocoa bar around Christmas time. So that's what I'm decorating. I have this little jar here that's actually a Valentine's Day jar, but I thought it was cute since it had the little seal on it. And I'm just placing some of these Hershey Kisses, sugar cookie flavored Hershey Kisses in here. And I had to try one, and y'all, they're so good. They really are. My girls were already excited about having a hot cocoa bar again this year, so they placed those sprinkles there. That's not the cutest thing, but I'm leaving them since they wanted them over there. And then I also got some mini candy canes. I just put a few because, you know, Halloween was just like, what, a couple weeks ago? And then I also found this hot cocoa canister recently from Walmart. It was super cheap, and I love that it hides all of our little hot chocolate K-cups inside. Next, I have this super cute white enamel tea kettle I found from a thrift store. So I'm just placing it here. I thought it kind of goes in with the theme. And then of course I had to place my hot cocoa sign from Michael's above everything. I love placing festive pillows on either side of my table. And for my centerpiece on my table, I kept it really simple, just adding a little pine tree and these adorable little cookie ornaments that I got from Cracker Barrel last year. I just placed those in a cloche, and on the other side I placed this super cozy red throw blanket that reminds me of Santa Claus across the other chair with a couple pillows and one that says Mrs. Claus Cookie Company, which I thought fit in with my centerpiece. I also added a little bit of garland around my chandelier from Hobby Lobby, as well as these 3 cheap little wreaths on our windows. I added some ribbon and just attached those with command hooks. Alright y'all, so here is the thing that I saw on Callie's video. I don't know if this was the exact same brand, but it might have been, I just can't remember. Anyway, these are like the little old-timey candles that you know, they used to put in their trees to light them up. But of course they're LED, they take little batteries and you clip them in your tree. And oh my gosh, how stinking adorable is this? When I saw her use these, I was like, oh my gosh, and I seriously went and ordered them right then. So we're gonna try them out. I don't really even know where I'm gonna put them, but I thought I'd put just a few in some of my flocked trees that I'm not really decorating. I thought that would be so cute. So we're gonna try, and I'll link these below. They were not very expensive. I think they might have been $24 for 12 of them, maybe. I can't remember exactly. Let's try, and I think each one takes 1 AA battery. How cute is that? You just screw off the little light bulb and a battery goes in there, and then you put a little hook on the bottom. These are gonna be adorable on the tree. And I love them because it's a warm LED, you know, it's not like the bright white, like blue. It really does look like that golden is showing up on camera. And it even has the wax. There was several ones on Amazon, but I wanted the ones with the wax dripping. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, ain't it? Won't these be cute on a tree? Yeah. And these particular ones also come with little window holder things, so you can put them in your windows if you want to. And it also comes with a remote, because I was like, oh my gosh, am I gonna have to go turn every single one of them off at night? But no, it comes with a remote, so you can just go and click off, and then you can dim them. And I don't know what that mode is, I'll have to look and see, but how cool is that? You just got a little remote with them. Y'all, seriously, how cute is that? Now I probably wouldn't leave that white snowflake, and they will stand up on their own, but I just had to put it on there just to see. That is so cute, and that's gonna add so many possibilities to put in little places. I'm so excited about this. And then Hayden, actually, Hayden is my 6-year-old right here. She had this idea. She brought this little jar, it's in my candle cabinet, over, and she said, what if we put it in there? And I said, you know what? How cute would it be to fill this with some of the like fake little snow and put some of these candles in there and have a bunch of jars set together with some greenery around that? That is a great idea. I think that would be a beautiful centerpiece. Good job. So Darren got home and brought me some batteries, and oh my goodness, I just put a few on this tree. First of all, I got some batteries in the remote. Look, how easy is that? They turn all on and off at the same time. So I just put like 4 or 5 on here. Is that not the cutest thing ever? That is so cute. Okay, so one more little tip, actually it's pretty big, I wanted to show y'all. If you are like us and hate going around and unplugging all these little lights, I know y'all have them in different areas like I do, probably, gosh, I don't know, 10 different ones. We bought these smart plugs from Amazon. I'm gonna link them for y'all, but look how easy this is. So you buy the little plugs and then you just download the app, and so in the app you can set it up to where you can just press one button. So on our app we have Christmas lights off and Christmas lights on, and they all come back on. How easy is that? And they're also good if you have like a hard to reach area, like back there behind my hutch, and that's what they look like. They're just little white plugs that you just plug everything into like normal. They do have buttons on them so you can turn them off individually, but y'all need to know about this if you Christmas decorate. And also Darren just told me to tell y'all you can do different settings, like if you want to have them set on your porch and just turn, you know, just your porch Christmas lights on, you can do that. But we have it set to where we turn every Christmas light on in the house, upstairs, downstairs, everything with just one button. So I just think those are so cool, so I thought I would share those. Alrighty y'all, thank you so much for joining me today. I had so much fun decorating. I'm loving how everything is turning out. Like I said, I think this is my favorite decorating for Christmas I've ever done. So you guys will have to let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe before you go because my Christmas home tour is coming up really soon and there's gonna be more in there that I haven't even showed you yet. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification before you go. And also don't forget to go and watch Callie's video. I know hers is gonna be so good. She's an amazing decorator and I can't wait to watch her video. So I hope your holiday season is off to a great start and I will see you guys real soon in my next video. Bye y'all.